Okay, so today we're going to use our Farberware Pressure Cooker to make rice, and this could not be simpler. I'm going to put in a cup of rice. I'm going to put in 2 cups of hot water. And I'm just going to measure it with the same bowl that I used. Because we like it this way, I'm going to add chicken bouillon to our pressure cooker. And I'm going to add 2 tablespoons because we like it. Some garlic powder, again, because we like it. And some onion powder. We like a lot of onion powder. And then I'm going to take a spoon. And then I'm going to take a spoon and I'm just going to stir it. And I'm going to put the lid on my pressure cooker. And then I'm going to come down here to start. And I'm going to choose 3 because that's the rice setting. And press start. In 20 minutes, I'll have rice.